Don't give me that look. Tell me what you feel like
Then
having.
let's go home. Then.
Han, seriously? Because you can't make up your mind?
Good morning, Philippines!
Hi, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Hi, everything. Hello. Good morning. Good morning, guys. Alam nyo, guys, dahil sa dry yung kamay ko, nag-crack yung ano dito. Oh. Sus, ginoo ko. Ang sakit kapag may crack. Hapde. And, nagbe-bake ako kanina ng ito siya. Ito siya, binibake ko kanina. And, masarap naman siya. Masarap yan palagi kapag yun yung kinakain. But anyway, so ngayon, naligo si Tommy, guys. And then, ako na naman mag-isa for a long time. Kasama ko siya, diba? And then, usually, every time na pupunta doon siya sa isang bahay. So, dahil wala na siyang trabaho, sama ako, diba? So, I wanna go. Gusto kong I want to go. So, I wanna go there. And then, I wanna stay in the car if there's people. I'm gonna ask him, guys. Kasi, I wanna go. I wanna be with him. You know, yung feeling na ano, guys, na I wanna be with my baby all the time. Nakasanayan na for months na kasi na andito kami, kasama ko siya. Ayun, ilang months na. Hugas lang ako, guys, kasi meron akong nilulutuan kagabi. Hindi ko siya winawash kasi sinusok ko siya, guys. Kasi may may ano, matigas yung ano ba, matigas yung tinapay sa mainit na kape, charot. Matigas yung ano, so kailangan siyang isusok overnight para mawala yung mag-soften yung nag-harden, matigas na tinapay na kape. Anyway, so yun siya, guys. Let's see. I will ask him. And I guess I'm gonna get ready. It's not gonna rain. I'm gonna ask him. After this one, I'm gonna look for weather, guys. Kasi uulan daw. So, let's see kung anong plano niya. Kung uuwi ba siya ng maaga. Kung hindi siya kasi uuwi ng maaga, guys, that means hindi ako pwedeng sasama. Kasi hindi pwede iwan yung mga alaga namin for a long time. Hanggang gabi. Kasi yun, mag-dinner sila. Yun ang kailangan pakainin, guys, every 5. Between 5 to 6. Yung kailangan silang pakainin. Kasi kapag hindi mo pakainin, mag-iyak-iyak. Mag-iyak-iyak si Misty. Paiyakin niya si Misty, guys. Siya yung umiyak. Aw, 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 aw. And then may luha talaga. Pagdating ko dito, makikita kasi hindi mo sa camera ba. So, pagdating mo dito, yung mata niya is sobrang basa. Guys, anyway, continue tayo, guys. Yes, sabi ko sa inyo kanina, aalis si Tommy, and then hindi ko alam kung kasama ako. Pero yun, lobat yung ano ko, kaliuka. Hold on. Anyway, so yun, andito na naman tayo, nagbabalik. So, tinignan ko yung temperature, tinignan ko yung anong weather sa isang bahay doon sa New Rochelle. Mabuti, ano naman siya, yung tawag nun, walang ulan. And then sabi ko, nagmamadali ako. Sabi ni Tommy, lumabas siya sa bathroom, naligo. Sabi pa niya, oh, anong ginagawa mo? Sabi ko, alis ako. Saan ka punta? Sama ko sa'yo. Sabi, what? Why? Said, it's not raining. It's raining. Sabi ko, it's not raining. I checked. That's why in a hurry to, get ready para naman makasama ako. Okay, let's open this thing. We're leaving. Say good morning.
Morning, guys.
My gloves. Okay.
Your gloves is over there. Okay, guys, we have to. Hi guys, we are here. Pero wala pa sila. 12 o'clock yung 12 o'clock yung andito yung mag-ano ng bahay. Okay, I'm gonna shut the car. Punta lang si Tommy doon. And then ako, gutom na naman ako, guys. Wala akong dalang pagkain. Pero meron tayong chocolate, di ba? Chocolate. Where is the chocolate? Chocolate tayo. Chocolate for the hungerness. Ano to? Ito yung binili ko kahapon. Ipadala ko sana sa Pinas yung dalawa. So, yung isa na lang. So, sabi ko, dalhin natin ito kasi paborito din ito ni Tommy. Reese's peanut butter eggs for Easter. You okay? Don't bring everything there. Just get dressed here. Maghubad sa dami dito sa dalan. Anyway, masarap yung ano, Reese's Peanut. Bibili pa ako nito guys, ipadala kasi magustuhan ito ng mga tao sa Pinas. Ano talaga, masarap kasi yung Reese's Peanut talaga. Ang gagawin lang ngayon is inspection lang yung ano, oil tank. Kasi yung oil tank is 60 years old. 60 years old. So kailangan, kakaiba nung buyer guys, kakaiba ang buyer kasi ayaw nilang magpa-house inspection kasi alam nila yung house is maraming problema. I think ang gagawin nila is ano sila, yung parang i-renovate lang yung bahay, yun lang. And then alam nila na may problema, so kaya hindi nila ini-inspection. Ang ini-inspection na prioritize nila is yung ano, oil tank. Kasi yung oil tank is the old days. Yung design niya is nasa ilalim ng lupa. Yun yung oil tank noong unang panahon. Pero ngayon yung oil tank is nasa ibabaw na, nasa loob ng basement. So ang kailangan lang nila para malaman nila kung hindi nag-leak, wala bang leaking, ganun. Bye bye ha. He's texting me while I'm sitting in the car.
It seems silly, you just go sit in the car.
I need water in the car.
Water in the tank.
Yeah, but open the thing, Han. You become like a smoky room here. Maglagay ng tubig sa sasakyan para hindi tayo We're gonna eat lunch later in the car or here. Hi guys, andito na yung magtitingin. Ay, ang sakit talaga sa mata ang ng araw. Hindi na mapipigilan guys. Final na talaga. Ang dami pang, meron pang marami pang ano, dadalhin ni Tami, mga lalaki. Guys, alam nyo guys, sabi ko kay Tami, bakit dadalhin pa niya yung mga wood, ang daming wood doon sa garahian, at saka lang, ang daming pipe. Sabi ko sa kanya, o sige, dalhin mo yan, yun yung kakainin natin ha. Kasi para mawala ng ano tayo, para magka-space din tayo sa basement. Kainin natin yung mga pipe natin at saka mga kahoy mo. So, i-final move muna. Kasi kahit masakit sa ulo itong asawa ko, kailangang i-final move lahat. And then, doon yung problema is doon naman sa bahay namin, sa daming gamit. Kasi hindi lang yun, ang dami pa. May freezer pa, may mga upuan pa guys na, oh my God, kailangan nang itapon. Pero, dalhin pa talaga niya. Iwan ko na lang sa kanya. At saka, ano pa ba? Oh my God, yung generator na ang laki. So yun, at least wala nang problema doon na lang sa bahay. Ang problema doon sa bahay naman is yung mga gamit ni Tami na dadalhin, yun lang. Pero about sa bahay, wala namang masyadong problema. Kailangan lang talaga siyang ano. Kailangan lang siyang ayusin. Magaganda man yung mga bahay dito eh guys. Ay, titignan ninyo ba? Yung mga kapitbahay, yung ito dito, magaganda yung mga kapitbahay. Yan, yung parang maganda talaga yung neighborhood balok, yung bahay na yan. Across the street din. Dito na area, yung palakad ka doon, maganda yung bahay. Look. Yung mga, may masasabi mo talaga ba na may malaki yung tax dito eh, hindi kaya sa budget. Tignan nyo si Tami guys, hindi maka-move on. Look, doon siya naglalakad. Hindi maka-move on, hindi talaga makalitgo sa bahay. Yun, pupunta naman sa kapitbahay. Na yan siya doon. Sana hindi ay nako talaga itong si Tami. Anyway, so yun yung mga bahay dito, oh, magaganda. Maganda yung neighborhood. Bahay ni Vianan, maganda. Sobrang lucky yung nakabili. I mean, maganda siyang bahay. Kailangan lang ng renovation. Yun lang naman. May problema guys. Yung nag-inspection kanina doon sa oil tank. Ang oil tank, diba sabi ko 60 years old na. May problema. Naglilik yung sa oil tank. Nagliking siya. May tumitingin talaga. Gustong tumitingin sa bahay. Pero kaso may pending na kasi. Pending na kasi siya. So, dito na siya finally. Gutom na ako. Ay, ang tagal. Ang tagal mo dong. Gutom na ako dong.
They came and picked up the recycles?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. Well, on top. she doesn't have to pick up pails.
And what happened?
I just wanted to let Bill know that, you know,
Is he there?
I didn't want to knock earlier because, you know, if I get tied up with him and somebody shows up here and, you know, it's like...
And did you tell him?
Yeah, I told him. I said, you know, I met the guy and I explained to him, you know, this guy's planning to move in with his family and stuff. So, you know, just keep peace of mind.
Okay, are you sure?
The guy was nice. Well, you can't be sure about anything. He says, you know, right now he lives in Yonkers, and he didn't say he lives in Yonkers. He said, I live in a place and you get really tiny little driveways and stuff like that. I says, oh, you live in Yonkers? He goes, yeah. How'd you know? I said, every house in Yonkers has a little tiny ass driveway.
And the tax over there is crazy.
In Yonkers?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, it's probably the same thing here. But anyway, so what are we gonna have? Because I'm starving.
You tell me.
Hey, you tell me.
Hon, you're the one who's starving. Tell me what you feel like having. Don't give me that look. Tell me what you feel like
Then
having.
let's go home then.
Hon, seriously? Because you can't make up your mind?
Okay, can you go to Pelham and you drive? I don't like parking over there. Honest to goodness.
Yeah, but you want me to run in. I don't care. I'll drive. We're going to Pelham. Where in Pelham?
You're the one knows the food here.
Hon. What do you feel like? Do you feel like Italian heroes? Do you feel like Chinese food? Do you feel like...
Chinese food.
Well, then just park by the bank and I'll go get the Chinese food for that place.
Yeah, that's a really far walk. So, andito yung tumitingin sa kung paano mag-fix ng ayusin yung oil tank. Pero, I think mahal guys. Kasi, so kain lang tayo guys kasi nagutom. Ang binili pala ni Tami is ito sa Chinese. Lo mein, paborito ko. At saka yung isang paborito ko na chicken with broccoli, fried rice, and plain rice. Libre yung plain rice. Anyway, continuation tayo kung ano yung sinabi ko kanina. Asan yung glasses ko? So, nandito yung lalaki kanina, nagdingin kung magkaano yung ano, kung anong kailangan gawin. Kasi kailangan nilang idideg. Kailangan nilang lukatin sa Bisaya. Anong Tagalog eh? Kailangan nilang bungkalin itong nasa driveway. Kasi yung tank is nag-leak. And then, continuation tayo sa sinabi ko kanina na hindi ako nagkadimaong. So, ngayon, ang mahal ng gasto, guys, mga nasa 30,000 something yung gasto. So, naloka na kami. 30,000. Pero, buti na lang yung pera na yan is kukunin siya kasi maraming investment si Bianan. So, yung pera na yan, kukunin doon sa mga pera na hindi pa nila nahati-hati. So yun, butin lang hindi sa ano ni Tami, hindi sa wallet niya. Eh kung sa wallet niya, saan yan kukunin? Ginoo ko. Hi guys! Good evening guys. Nakatulog po ako guys. And then yun, kakain lang kami mga leftover at also yung nabili naming Chinese food. Yun, si Tami sandwich. And yun, ano ng oras? 7 something o'clock na ng umagabi. Nakatulog talaga ako guys. Napagod talaga ako kasi and Tami have a pickle that is really spicy that you cannot handle it.
Oh, it's not.
And I will try one. I know I did try it before one bite, but I don't know if I can handle it this time. But let's try. I told him to give me one. Spicy pickles. I'm not exaggerating.
You what?
I'm not exaggerating. Yes, this is really spicy.
They're great pickles.
Huh?
They're great.
So spicy. Thank you, love. My husband's always do something for me.
You don't want.
Anyway, guys. So, thank you guys so much for watching. I-end ko na tong vlog. Pasensya na guys, nakatulog. I was really tired. I fall asleep. How many hours, son? Oh, we got here a couple hours. Napagod ako. Anyway, good night guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. So, yun lang yung ganap ngayong araw. Problema. So,
Hi guys.
Yeah, he's eating guys. So, he said bye-bye.